Hello friends, and welcome to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're most welcome. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our DIY and decor family. To make the beautiful macrame wall hanging, I'm using yarn. I'm using different colors. This is like rainbow color. It has so many different colors into it. I got them from Dollar Tree, Joann, and thrift store. And I will use this. I might use this natural cord macrame as well, but I'm not really sure about it. I'm using a fruit basket and the chair to roll the yarn around it, but you can use anything and just think about the length that you want to give to your macrame hanging and start rolling the yarn, and then you can cut it from the middle and start hanging them. I kept making these knots few inches apart from each other because I was leaving gap for different colors that I showed you earlier to put them in between of these. It's very simple. I will just cover this entire wood with different colors, and then I will show you the simple knots that will complete this macrame. Because these yarns are very narrow, so that's why I'm mixing, like I'm taking 2 or 4 or even 8 at a time. The blue and the pink one are very narrow, so I have to take a huge amount of it in order for the shape to look good. But for the rainbow color, because it's already very thick, so I will use 1 cord at a time. I will make 3 knots in the middle of this macrame. So first of all, it's just a very simple knot that you can make for the front, and I will keep doing it until I reach to the entire length of this macrame. Doing the macrame is really easy. You can start doing it if you're not even an expert like me. It's the first time that I'm doing this macrame wall hanging, and it came out really pretty well. I really like it, and now I'm hanging it in my living room. So you can go ahead, choose the colors that you want and do it. I have plans in my mind to do more macrames for the living room. So write in the comment section if you would like to see more of these DIYs. I'm using these beautiful beads because it's going to match the wood dowel that I'm using here. So this is the corner that I will insert these beads into it. The dowel was very long, so I had to cut it, and I'm using this wire and inserting these beads into these I really hope you liked watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share your ideas in the comment section, and subscribe to join our DIY and decor family. See you in my next video.